I can honestly say this place is A-OK. There was five motorhomes in last night, and the car park was full with cars. But we ate in there. I didn't film anything in the pub. It was a little bit too posh for that. But I mean, because it's out of season, they got all the tables and the chairs all piled up. As you can see, it's an old thatched pub. The Chequers Inn. Well, it's just called the Chequers. It's a Fuller's pub. As you can hear, there is an awful lot of background noise for the traffic. That's because just down there, this is the slip road for the A34. That's for the northbound to get on and off, and then that one over there is the southbound on and off. But yeah, this pub was absolutely fantastic. Staff were the young girl behind the bar. She was the waitress as well, and she was very, very pleasant. And we got the Jen that she was at uni. So the landlord was absolutely fantastic. He kept us entertained. But it's got the garden round the back, and it's a lovely old thatch. It's gone a bit manky on the top, but that's the moss, and that's only because of the damp weather. But there's the rear garden. So they got a gazebo there, and all the tables and chairs. Yeah, but as I say, like today is Sunday, so there's not an awful lot of traffic. I can still hear the A34. That's quite loud, but it was ever so quiet last night. So right, I'm going to sort of sign off. This was on Park4Nites, and it's only because I came up this far, because I'm off over to the Cotswolds. Liam and Dee, Wandering Wheelies, they were heading towards home, and this was towards home for them. So I found a different little pub, and it turns out they were only 8 miles apart, so I came to this one with them, just to have one more night with them. So yep, I do like the pub. As I say, they were very pleasant. I was quite surprised. They do shut at 10 o'clock at night, not 11. Most pubs shut at 11. But I suppose it's because it's out in the sticks. There is a village further up. I don't expect they get the local trade like a normal pub would. They just get the passing trade, and when the A34 dies down, they lose that trade. So, right, that's all I can say about for this. It is on Park4Nites. I will put the what 3 words, and it is on the main M4 A34 junction. They're within yards of each other. So, right, I showed you a little bit of drone footage of it, and that'll do me until the next one.